Hi there. In this video, I will show how to remove WordPress admin notice and next screens. So sometimes when you use or install multiple WordPress plugins, you might see this kind of messages in your WordPress dashboard. Sometimes those messages are useful, but sometimes those messages are very annoying. So I will show you two methods to remove these annoying messages. The first method is using WordPress plugin. So first of all, go to plugins, add new, find a plugin called hide notification dashboard. Okay, here is the plugin. Install that. This is very simple plugin to use. Once installed, active that plugin. Click on activate. Once you active this plugin, you will see in left dashboard, in left side, hide notices menu. There are multiple options. The first one is hide dashboard notice only for admins. So this is by default enabled. The second option is hide dashboard notices and warnings. You can enable that. The third option is hide WordPress update notices, that will hide all the WordPress related update notices from this dashboard. And the last one is hide PHP update required notice. Once you save, it will reload the page and you will see no messages and no nag messages and notifications are there in the dashboard. Okay, so click that hide notices menu again, go to notifications, and here you can see which messages and notifications are hidden. So you will get better idea that using this plugin which notifications are hidden. Okay, this is the first and very easy way. Let me just undo the changes so you can get those messages again. Okay, so this was the way using WordPress plugin, but sometimes you don't want to use this plugin to remove these messages. So there is another way. For that, you need a code snippets plugin. So code snippets plugin is very useful. Let me show you. This is not specific for this user case. Code snippets is very useful to insert your code. It might be a PHP code that requires to run on page load on a website or maybe in WordPress dashboard. Let me activate. Once you activate this plugin, you will see the menu on the left side called snippets. Go to all snippets. Here you can see already number of snippets available, that example HTML shortcode, CSS snippet, JavaScript, or some other snippets, right? So these are disabled by default. Let me add new snippet. Okay, give that snippet some name like hide admin notices. Okay, and once you add this, you have to add PHP code here. Add underscore action. Here you need to give admin underscore head. That is, that will run only in the administrative area, and you need another function. Let's say hide notifications messages. Okay, let me just copy this. You need a function. In this function, you need to write down some CSS. Okay, and style. Here you need a class name, and here you need to give display none. Okay. Here you need to again close this style tag. Okay. So this is how the code will look like. So let me just only run in administration area. Okay, and let me add some description here. Okay, save changes and activate. Okay, maybe some PHP error is there. So let me add again, add underscore action admin underscore head here, hide notification message, that is the function name. Okay, create function here. The syntax should be like echo style. Okay, this is fine. And here the class name should be class name display none. Here again you need a single quote and style. Okay, so here you don't require any single quote. Let me just remove this. So this is the syntax. Let me save the change. Okay, so now this snippet will run in the admin area. Okay, so first of all, we need to inspect this, and when you inspect this element, you can see the warning class is this. This is the ID which we want to hide. Let's see if it is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, so we can just copy, and instead of class, we can use ID. Click on the save changes, and boom. Right now, this is hidden. For this message, let me inspect, and this is the class name. Okay, let me add here comma dot class name, save the changes, and done. Let me add some title here, hide dashboard messages, save the changes. Okay, let's go to our snippets, and this is a snippet which we edited. Okay, so using this method, you can add number of classes or IDs here, which you want to hide from the admin dashboard, because here we have added only run in administration area, and the hook is admin underscore head, so it will run in admin area only. So this was the second method which always you can always use to hide dashboard messages from the dashboard. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you have anything to say, please leave comments below. Thank you.